All right, here's the second part of 7. Notice that this line that cuts through them would be the transversal. How are these angles related? 144 and this entire thing. So 144 has to be equal to 66 plus 48. That is based on the converse of alternate exterior. So we can check 66 plus 48. That gets us 114, does equal 114. So by the converse of alternate exterior angles, we can say A is parallel to B. All right, so next, let's see here. It's hard to tell unless you extend a transversal here, right? But then we notice that this does make a linear pair, 60, 60, and this is 60 for 180. Notice that this piece here is 60 degrees, matches up with this 60 degrees. So 60 equals to 60. By the converse of corresponding angles, we can say that A is parallel to B. All right, so let's see here. We can see this is the transversal. Right, and then if this is 60, this should be 60 here, up here. Okay, so let's see if we can figure that out. Well, we know that this is 90, this is 229, and that makes a linear pair. So if we do 180 minus 29 minus 90, that gets you 61 right here. Okay, because this makes a linear pair. 61 is not equal to 60. So A is not parallel to line B in this case for F.